Hello, I'm Saria. Welcome to my painting channel. Today we are going to draw a branch with apple. We start applying the paint in layers from the sides of the apple, increasing the concentration of the paint in each layer. With a clean brush, we guide the paint into the apple so that the middle of the apple remains lighter than the rest of the area. Draw lines with thick paint and paint the top of the apple, spreading the paint with a damp brush. We use a little thicker paint until the paint dries. Then we move on to the leaves and apply thick paint to one side of them and use the brush to guide the paint to the other side. Here, if the paint has dried, we carefully add some water and then begin applying thick paint. In the branch painting stage, we start with very thick paint. Then we wash the brush and spread the paint with a damp brush. Once it dries, we can add details with thick paint. Thank you for watching.